Welcome, one and all. We are back with another edition of Sizzle or Fizzle. I'm Rick.
And I am your boy, Kaz.
Now, this is the show where we listen to different music, different artists, different genres, and we put our heads together. We decide on whether we like it, whether we don't, and we tell you about it. And at the end of the day, does the track sizzle or does it fizzle? But more than that, we also invite you guys to leave your comments and let us know how you like it, and let us know what other things we can hear from that artist. Kaz, today we got Sizzla with Take Myself Away. Now, I don't know anything about this artist. This is another old man moment, I guess.
You pesky kids, get off my lawn!
Oh, man. Yeah, he's been around for quite a while. He's done a lot. But this one, Take Myself Away, from his album called The Overstanding 2006. And his birth name is Miguel Orlando Collins, born in Jamaica.
We're about to see what I've been missing all this time. Take Myself Away.
I hear Take Myself Away, I think gospel, because that's a song that I used to hear in church.
What are we getting ready to get into?
But this is not that one.
Okay, all right. Just checking.
Yeah, this is not that one.
Mood and mindset. Nice little groove here.
You're still taking what's not yours. Greedy though you got more. Switching on me now, snitching on me now. Picking up dirty attitudes. What's your future then? I'm not sure. Now you lurk on every corner, trying to make $1 from them quarters. Thought you were my friend, give an helping hand. Prove to be my enemy, you can't even trust anyone. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real.
Maybe not this song, but I think I've heard this brother before. When he's hitting those high notes with a little bit of rasp to it, like, he sounds familiar. Yeah. So before I press play again, I'm just gonna let all y'all and Sizzle gang out there know what other hits does he have out there, because it might trigger my memory or something. This so far so good.
I like his falsetto that he kicks up there.
Yeah, it's very nice. So far so good. Back to it.
Waste no time on you, not behaving yourself up in a crime on you. Now there's a fine in you. Now tell me what you gonna do. Willing to help but not to want you deceive. Stupid things you do, I just can't believe. Seems you don't know what you really need. Take it, remember life carries its own speed. I was there to motivate you. Seems you don't appreciate it. What is it that generates you to do the bad things that do? I really hate it. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. The world is getting dangerous. Sickness and disease are very contagious. All these bad things happening just ain't for us. Jah help us out, can you pray for us? I've got to protect my life. I've got to love myself. My heart cries within me. Love and respect, that's what you should be giving me. When you hate each other, you don't know what you're doing to me. If I allow this corruption, you're surely ruining me. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I was there to.
I'm gonna stop it one more time, Kaz. Just a quick notation about the music itself. It's kind of got that old school R&B flavor.
Yeah. It actually still, it's that reggae sound though. You look at the instruments that's in it. I mean, it's really simple and basic, and I like it. They use that closed hi-hat, a kick drum, a rim shot, and a clap track in there. So, and I think I hear a snare. I'm not sure, but I know I hear rim shots and clap tracks. So the bassist, I looked at some of the live performances, and the bassist looks like his bass guitar has got, I don't know how many strings, but it's definitely more than 4 that's been that's on the neck of that bass. So yeah, nice smooth reggae sound.
Yeah,
sure.
Very nice.
The background vocals, I dug the background vocals too. Especially when they go you take my breath away. Oh, get away from me.
All right, let's finish it on out then. Sizzla with Take Myself Away.
Take myself away.
To motivate you, seems you don't appreciate it. What is it that generate you to do the bad things to do? I really hate it. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real.
Yeah, I like that right there. Man, that's smooth right there.
You gotta take myself away. And the guitar. Hold on, where's my
You're enjoying that just a little bit too much.
Hey man, relaxed.
Yeah, this was very smooth. I love it. The beat was on point.
And then the guitar, the way they did it at the end made it even sound better to end it like that. That topped it off. That topped it off for me.
This is another one of those tracks where I'm like, where have I been, you know?
Under a rock.
A big, heavy rock, I guess, because like I said at the beginning of the video, I don't know if I've ever heard of him. I mean, he sounds very, very familiar. So I'm going to be more than happy to dig deep into the library and see what else he's got out there.
Man, for the tidbit of the day, woo. Like I said, this is another brother that's got some education under his belt, which is pretty good. But due to some controversial lyrics in a lot of his songs, he's had some international controversy from a social standpoint. That's where I'll leave it because we don't go to the dirt for folks on this show. No. But with that controversy on one side, this is another young brother who, back in Kingston, actually set up a community. And in this community, kids can come to this community, and if they need help, they need questions, they have questions, they need help, anything like that, he's there. If they want to get involved in music, every aspect of the business, they can come to this community. He calls it a community. It's an actual community. And so it's pretty good. I'm really proud to hear that there's another brother out there that's out there trying to help the youth. So I had to bring this on here to say this, to promote something else positive about a young brother out there making a living. So that, RJK, is my sizzle or fizzle tidbit of the day.
And it is a very good tidbit because we do like to see young men do very well. And he definitely has done very well. So it is a sizzle chance. Now it's going to be a sizzle for me as well. And like I said, I want to hear more from this guy. I really do. Very interesting. It's always nice when you find new music that you haven't heard before, and it continues to open doors. Music does that for people.
Because you have to take myself away.
I'm so glad that I like several different genres of music because
it
gives me the ability to really listen with an open mind and find things that I would never have found otherwise.
I'd be disappointed in you, and we could never be friends. Never.
That's important too, folks.
Disgusting. But you like other music, so that's good.
So, hey, gang, before we get out of here, though, please drop us a comment. Let us know what other songs from this artist can we listen to, and what are we going to get out of it. And guys, we appreciate you all so much. Kaz is going to go out with that song. I'm going to leave you with my famous words: stay positive, stay blessed,
and keep it moving.
Love you guys. Later.
Later.
If you like this video, watch another one right here. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Just click right here. I got lots of cool content, movies, music, and television. Explore everything. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.